Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Welcome to DPS online classes. I am your teacher Rubab Ather and I want to welcome all of you in our DPS online classes. Before we start our lesson, I want to all of you to welcome back to school. Today I am here with you to teach at level 1 subject math. My dear students, as you know, mathematics is the world of number, signs, symbols and calculations, and today we are studying an interesting topic of mathematics. Our today's topic is making of 10. My dear students, as you can see, there is one pencil. How many pencils we will add more in it to make 10? Can you count with me? Okay, we will count from 1. There is a one pencil, so we will count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many pencils we count? Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means we add 1 and 9 pencils more in it and it makes 10. 1 plus 9 makes 10. Very good. Now there is another example for us. There are 8 ice creams. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now how many ice creams we need more to make 10? So we will count from 8, 9 and 10. It means we need 2 ice creams. In this question we have 8 ice creams and we need 2 ice creams more to make 10. That means 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. In this example you can see there are some school bags here. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means we have to add 3 and count next from 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. In this question, we have 6 fish. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 fish. And how many fish we need more to make it 10? We will count next. There we need 7, 8, 9, 10. We need 4 fish more to make it 10. That means 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. Very good. In this picture you can see there are some trees. We have some trees here and here. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we will add some trees more. How many trees? What we have to make? We have to make 10. So how many trees we will add in it? We will count next from 5. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. we have 5 trees more. That means 5 plus 5 makes 10. So question will be written as 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. Very good. There you can see we have some monkeys. How many monkeys we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have 6 monkeys. So we have write down here 6 plus. Now how many monkeys we need more to make it 10? So we will count next from 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. We count 4 monkeys more to make it 10. That means 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. Very good. Now our next question is, we have 7 elephants here. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we have 7 elephants here, and we will add some more to make it 10. Now how many elements we have required? Count it with me. We will count next from 7. 8, 9, 10. Very good. We need 3 elephants more to make it 10. That means 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. You are doing very good. Our next question is, there we have 8 cats. How many cats? 8. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have 8 cats, and now how many cats we need more to make it 10? 1, 2. Now count next from 8. 9 and 10. Very good. We need 2 cats more to make it 10. Now what we will write down there? Our question. That is 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. That means 8 में अगर 2 ऐड किया जाए, that makes 10. Our next question is very interesting also. Here we have 9 honeybees. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many honeybees we have? 9 honeybees. Now, how many honeybees we have required to make it 10? We will count next from 9. Count it with me. 9 के बाद क्या आता है? 10. Very good. We need only 1 honeybee to make it 10. That means 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. Our last question is, there we have 10 tables. How many tables we have? 10. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many tables we have? 10 tables. And now, how many tables we have required to make it 10? There we have already 10 tables, so we need nothing to add in it to make it 10. That's why we will add 0 in it. 0 have no value. That's why 10 plus 0 is equals to 10. Very good, my dear students. From this lesson, you have learned that there are some pair of numbers that makes 10. First of all, we have studied 1 plus 9 that makes 10. 1 और 9 को ऐड करें तो 10 बनता है. Similarly, 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. 3 में अगर हम 7 को ऐड करते हैं तो 7 plus 3 और 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. 4 plus 6 is equals to 10 और 6 plus 4 भी हो सकता है. 6 में अगर हम 4 ऐड करें या 4 में हम 6 ऐड करें तो हमारे पास 10 आता है. 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. And 10 plus 0 is equals to 10. Here you have to understand this sum again. 10 plus 0. That means 10 में अगर हम 0 को ऐड करें तो 0 has no value. That's why 10 plus 0 will remain 10. It's time for our recapitulation and our topic was making of 10. Dear students, our question number 1 for recapitulation is find the number to make 10. In this question, you will have to add a number in 4 to make 10. Count it with me. We have to count next from 4. How many times we will count? Count with me. 4 के बाद हम count करेंगे 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many times we count? Very good. 6 times. That means 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. Very good. Our next question is which number will be added in 9 to make it 10? 9 में ऐसा कौन सा डिजिट हम ऐड करेंगे कि वो 10 बनेगा? Count it with me. We will count next from 9. 9 and 10. That means we have added 1 in it. That makes 10. 1 plus 9 is equals to 10. Our question number 2 is circle the pair of numbers that makes 10. We have some numbers here. In it, we will circle the pairs that makes 10. You will have to look it keenly. आपको बहुत ध्यान से यहाँ पर सर्च करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पर कुछ पेयर्स ऐसे हैं जो 10 बनाते हैं. जैसे हमने पीछे भी कुछ पेयर्स पढ़े थे जो 10 बनाते हैं. आपको वो पेयर्स यहाँ पर फाइंड करने होंगे. So our first pair is 7 plus 3. That means कि 7 और 3 को जब हम ऐड करते हैं तो हमारे पास 10 बनता है. इसी तरह से आप एक और पेयर सर्च करेंगे. Hurry up. Very good. Our next pair is 9 plus 1. 9 में अगर हम 1 प्लस करेंगे तो वो 10 आएगा. नेक्स्ट पेयर सर्च करें. Our next pair is 6 plus 4. Very good. 6 में अगर हम 4 ऐड करेंगे that makes 10. Hurry up, search another pair. 5 plus 5. Very good. 5 plus 5 that makes 10. Another pair. 8 plus 2. Very good. 8 plus 2 makes 10. Well done, students. You have solved this question very quickly. It's time for your assessment. I have a question for you to assess your learning. Circle any 5 pair of numbers to make 10. Here I have some numbers for you and you will have to circle the pairs that makes 10. You have 1 minute to search these 5 pair of numbers. Okay, I hope you have done this question. So we will solve it again. First pair was 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 that makes 10. Our second pair was 8 plus 2 that makes 10. Our third pair was 9 plus 1, that makes 10. Our fourth pair was 5 plus 5, that makes 10. Our fifth pair was 7 plus 3, that makes 10. Very good, dear students. I hope you have solved this question very easily and quickly. Now it's time for your homework. We have a very easy homework for you. In your homework, you have some questions to solve on your own. Our question is, find the number to make 10. यहाँ पर मैंने आपके लिए कुछ ब्लैंक्स छोड़ी हुई हैं जिन्हें आपको फिल करना है. आपको वहाँ पर वो नंबर पुट करना है जिसे ऐड करते ही आप 10 बना सकते हैं. जैसे कि 6 plus dash is equals to 10. That means what will we write down here? What we will write down here to make 6 into 10. 6 plus dash is equals to 10. Similarly, 3 plus dash is equals to 10. And our question number 3 is dash plus 8 is equals to 10. That means कि what digit will come here? That makes 8 into 10. Now our fourth question is dash plus 5 is equals to 10. What we will write down here to make it 10? 5 में हम कौन सा डिजिट ऐड करेंगे जो इसको 10 में चेंज करेगा. That's all for today. Good luck, my dear students. See you soon, inshallah. But there is another lesson for you. There is a danger outside. So, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.